Now that's a big package. So I've got this massive package to open. This is a 2-person extra large fold-up camping chair. I'm really excited to see this. Oh, here comes Thorfinn. You gonna go in the box, Thorfinn? You know how cats love their boxes. What are you doing? I think Thorfinn likes it. Is that a good box, Thorfinn? He got nice and cozy. You could make a nice box fort with this. I would have had a blast if I were like 10 years old. Oh wait. I don't even know how I would bring this on camping trips. It might be too big. I'm gonna have to take this outside. There is not enough room in here. This is the Overmont XXL extra wide seat. It's basically a couch for camping. And it looks really comfy. So let's check it out. Oh look, it's handy dandy strap. Wow. It's time to do a sit. That's nice. Oh wow. It's like a cooler pouch. Check this out. Open this pouch. It's got like the kind of material that's inside of a cooler, so I think that's meant for drinks. Yep, that's meant to be a cooler, and these are for wine glasses. Well, that is handy dandy. This is pretty cool. Yeah. Here's another good way to sit in it, or lay, I should say. I can't wait to go on more camping trips. This chair is real cozy. Got some good cushioning here. Oh! That is handy dandy. Think of all the stuff you could store there. Wow. As you can tell, this is a 2-person chair, so it's the perfect chair for snuggling bay on a camping trip. You want to sit in the comfy chair? Come here, Harvey. See how Harvey likes it. Is that cozy? Are you a comfy doggo? Okay, well I'm going to continue this video when my boyfriend gets home and we can sit in it together and I can show you how that is. So. Such cuteness. Harvey. There you have it. That's the Overmont 2-person XXL chair. It is extremely comfortable, very cozy, and you know the cushions are nice. It's really cool. I love all the cushion on it, and I love how it has these cooler pouches. So that is like really handy dandy. A couple things I will say, it's very big, so keep that in mind if you don't have a lot of space in your car. It does take up a lot of space when it's all folded up and everything. That's to be expected with a beast of a chair like this one. Another thing, so it has this wine glass holder, but it seems like it'd be kind of hard to get your wine glass in there and out, so I don't know how good that would work. But I don't even drink wine, so it doesn't really matter to me. I do wish it had like regular cup holders, but I can also just put a beverage inside the cooler pouch. Yeah, I would say this is a really great chair. Definitely recommend this for your camping trips or a beach trip, go for a festival. So many great ways to use this chair. Right now it's just in my backyard, facing the beautiful pond. But next time I go on a camping trip, I'm bringing this bad boy. That's the end of this video. If you guys like this chair, I'm going to put a link in the description so you can grab one for yourself. And don't forget to like and subscribe, and as always, have a magical day. Bye bye.